Well, I call it just another Monday around here. I've got a leak on this thing. Actually, I developed it on Saturday, but it was too cold. I thought I'm gonna wait till today to weld it. So I'll show you what's going on. It's actually, there's a block that's welded to the side of the cylinder barrel where the hose connects. So it's the jib boom cylinder. It's one of these blocks, and it cracked right along. There's a pinhole spraying hydraulic oil. It's actually on this end, and you can see I've welded this block before, and I got the hose taken off so it can vent. So when I weld it, it doesn't build pressure and blow my puddle out. But I got that stick in there holding my hose up. So this is the block. Oh, and I'm not focusing real well. I ground out my old weld, and I'm trying to, the cracker, it's right there. I'm not the only one that's run into these issues on these cylinders. Right, Mike? You hear me, don't you? Oh, and Mike, at the Minnesota Power, you're wondering about my tire. My plug's still in there. It's still holding. I should get that fixed right though. I'm gonna need a new tire. I think they won't fix, that's too much on the sidewall. Hey, and Brett, you're going to school to become a forester. These are the trees that you only cut on Sundays because they're holy. I might as well watch Bill limb a little bit. See how those hoses up on the boom, how they flex so much like an accordion? Bill just noticed I was here. So our temporary wire we put on New Year's Day is still on there. It's still working, but the outer coating is starting to crack here and there. So I don't know how much longer it's going to last. We might be forced to deal with it sooner rather than later. You can see how many limbs are already knocked off these from when it was really cold and I fell them to the ground. I'll have to get a little video of Spiff in action. He complains that I never get any action of him. He's always waiting on the limmer. Here's an ugly one. Ooh. There you go. So just another Monday. Actually, Bill had a leaking fitting up on the, what do you call it, the boom cable drive system up there this morning. Blown O-ring. Anyway, hope you guys are having a good day. It's definitely warmer today. Thanks for watching.